In this video, we present the novel framework for intuitively controlling drones with advanced cameras using simple gestures on a touchscreen device. Drone photography with advanced cameras is complex even for experts. The traditional way to control such a drone is by using a dual joystick remote controller. One joystick controls the altitude and heading of the drone. The other joystick controls the propelling directions of the drone. The gimbal camera needs an additional joystick control, which complicates the navigation. The tedious, low-level drone operations are distracting from the photography and require training. Researchers at Purdue University have developed FlyCam, a novel framework that allows for intuitive and simple navigation for drone photography. The framework can be used by non-experts immediately and without training. One finger drag changes the camera orientation. Two finger drag lifts or slides the camera. Tap hold moves the camera forward along the center axis. Double tap hold moves the camera back.
The objective of our work was to create as simple as possible navigation and picture taking for drones. So the main idea of our approach is that we abstract the camera and the drone into a single device.
The drone can be controlled entirely from a single touchscreen device without a cumbersome controller. The gestures are combinations of simple drags and taps. Using the FlyCam framework, users were able to spend significantly less time on photography tasks. The framework uses a sigmoidal motion response to compensate for abrupt drone swinging while moving horizontally. The gestures are implemented as seamless commands that combine the gimbal motion with the aircraft movement. The FlyCam framework was evaluated and compared with traditional drone navigation systems and was shown to be more intuitive while also requiring fewer commands.